Unboxing. 5-ish tips on how you can use it to improve your workflow throughout the day. Let's go. Zero inboxes is an everyday part of my life. If I fall behind on emails, I will fall behind on basically all my tasks. So I just don't let it happen. And when I go on vacation, that's one of the first tasks I do to get rid of things. I'm going to give you a few tips on how I use the Gmail suite and the snooze button exclusively to help my workflow and how you can clean up your inbox and so it's not so overwhelming throughout the day. Let's get into it here. All right, so I got my super clean inbox that I don't subscribe to any kind of newsletters on, and I've got very few emails that have just kind of straggled on in because I subscribed to something and I hit an inbox. Whatever. I've got about 20 emails here, and that might be a little overwhelming at times, especially if you have like 100 in here. But I'm going through my best tips on what I do throughout the day. Now, the ones that are used that have these really long dates on them, they just came back from my snooze button from something way long ago. So I've got a conversation. I take a look at this and I recognize I don't need this conversation anymore. Bye, archive, or delete it. I like to archive it just because I like to keep that email address fresh in case I ever need it. Here's an old email from Ananda. I know that she's an old student and client of mine. I don't need this anymore. She doesn't work there anymore. Bye. Sam, new ways. Sounds good. Content, publish. I could come back to this. I mean, it has been a whole year, and I think I've made some new updates. I do need to get back to this, but it is not like I've got to do it emergency reply back. I put a 2 here. I number these 1, 2, and 3. 1 means I need to get back to that immediately. 2 means I can do it sometime in the next day. Not a big deal, not a big pressure. And 3 is like I can get back to this anytime when I have the time. So I just let that be and I go on to the next one. I'll update you soon. Well, I want to update now here. I know it's been a year. Let's follow up. I want to hear back from this guy. Just hit my inbox again on the snooze button. Again, the snooze button is just incredible for my workflow. You can do very catered to what you want to do. Pick times and dates for custom. You can just do next week, Monday. My inbox on Monday morning AM is kind of a joke because I have a whole bunch of these snoozes. This looks like a conversation with Slack. I don't need this survey. I'm just going to delete it. I don't need their address. I don't like it. Grab available slot. I don't remember talking to James, so I'm going to follow up here. If I can answer it in a very quick fashion, then I will answer it. This is back from July. I don't remember talking to this guy. And I'll send it away. And then, again, hit this snooze. And let's pump this thing for a couple of weeks here. And come back at. Thanks, appreciate it. Respona. Cool, we're talking backlink stuff. I can absolutely get back to that. That is from 8 days ago. I don't know how I missed this one. I must have punted it. But I'm going to get back to them now. Ooh, this looks like an email from myself into a different email address. I love it, but I want to keep it, so I'm just going to archive it. Loom AI, I don't need anything from Loom. In fact, I am going to unsubscribe because I don't need this business in my inbox for this inbox. Transfer canceled. Wise, that's what I use for my VA payments. Absolutely amazing service and so much cheaper than PayPal. If you want a link, I'm going to put it in the description on this. But that's how I pay my virtual assistants. Oh, this is kind of a cool email. I was talking to this guy personally, but this is a automated mention. It's kind of a newsletter. It made me look like it, but anyway, I don't need to be there. Wise, great, deleting, Dustin. Yeah. Well, Alex, I like what you're doing. It's just not for me right now. Don't need it. Publish your story. Result story. A lot of follow up emails in the last couple of days. I don't see a fit here. I've already gone through this email. I don't need it. Your weekend ConvertKit. That's embarrassing, but I don't need to delete that. I'm going to be fine. Just deleting it for now. I get these backlink offers all day, every day. Podcast guests, yeah. All right, I'll take a look, but it'll be in the 2 category. Cool. Thanks, Sprout. New guest posting, delete. Sprout again. I don't need the newsletters. Computer World. I don't think so. Delete. So, literally 3 to 5 minutes later, I have gone from an inbox of 20 to down to whittling it down to 4 emails that I need to respond to in various times. I'm going to get to my number ones first, and then after that, then I can get to my number twos. And those are my tips for zero inboxing. Hope you found this video helpful. If you want more tips on zero inboxing or emails in general, too bad, because that's all I've got. But if you want help with your workflow as an affiliate manager, or you want to grow your affiliate program, come check me out at dustinhouse.com/explore, and I'll give you free 15 minutes of my time to hang out and talk about your affiliate program and see where I can help. If I'm not the right person for the job, I'm going to point you in the right direction. Or just go to performancemarketingmanager.com and sign up and join my community of affiliate managers that are using these types of tips to get better at their job every day. Until later, this is Dustin House signing out. We'll see you out there.